and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on projection of lines. If you want to study in details about projection of lines with the basic concepts, do visit to my video lecture where I've explained all the combinations of projections of lines. Now moving towards this sum, the question says a straight line AB of length 70 millimeter. So this line I have considered 70 millimeter. Its end A is on the vertical plane. So this end is on the vertical plane and 30 mm above the horizontal plane. So it is 30 mm above the horizontal plane. The line is parallel to the horizontal plane also. So this height is 30 millimeter. It is above the horizontal plane, 30 millimeter, point A. And is parallel to the horizontal plane also and inclined at a 45-degree angle. So it is parallel to the horizontal plane. So the line will be like this. This height is 30 and it is inclined to an angle of 45 degree to the VP. So it is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. So the line will be like this. This height is 30. So from the front view, the line will look small. This is not its actual length. This height is 30. And from the top view, if you see, this angle is 45 degree. So this is how the front view will be. So for drawing, first we'll draw the axis. Straight vertical line and a horizontal line through it. Now we want the more distance on the bottom side, so I have kept more distance. So you can arrange your page accordingly. The axis you can draw. Now front view, you know it is at a height of 30 above. So I'll mark a point 30 above. This is the point. This will be A dash. This is vertical plane or the front view. This is horizontal plane or the top view. This is profile plane or the side view. I'll take the projection from the front view to the top view. As we know, it is at an angle of 45 degree. So we can't draw directly the front view. We have to first draw the inclination or the true length. As in the front view, the width is small. So it will be depending upon the angle or the inclination. So this is point A as it is on the horizontal plane. Now distance, first we'll mark the angle. On compass I have taken the distance. I've just cut an arc. You have to do the inclination of 45 degrees. So first you draw the angle, then you cut the arc. So this is where it coincides. I'll make this dark. This is the true length, that is 70 millimeter. This is AB. Now I'll take the projections from the top view to the front view and we'll join that line dark. Now this is the length. This is the slant length. From the front view, it looks a small line and a straight line. Now to draw the side view, we have to take the angle. I'll show how the side view will be. So this is how the line is. For the side view, I'll just rotate this three-dimensional plane. So this is how the side view will be. It will be again a small line as it is slant in the side view also. So it will be not its actual length, it will be a small length of line. For side view we are drawing an angle 45 degree. We'll take the projections from the front view, top view to the side view. Now once we have taken the projection, this will be the line of the side view. So as it is on the horizontal plane, it is on the axis also. So this will be A double dash, this will be B double dash. Now the question says we have to find the distance of B from VP and the length of elevation. So this is B and its length from VP. So this is point B. This is point B. You have to find the length. So this will be the length from the vertical plane, how much it is. We are calculating. It is around 49.5. And the length of the elevation, this is the length of elevation, this is also 49.5. Now in exam you can't take this quadrant and see how the line will look. You have to imagine it in your mind. I'll also tell some tricks and tips which will help you to draw in my later videos. So stay tuned and watch all the videos as I'll explain some tricks and tips how to draw directly. In my next videos, I will not mostly use the quadrant and I will directly draw so that you can also draw it in exam. So this is the answer which we have found out. Elevation length, that is 49.5 millimeter, and the distance of end B from VP, that is also 49.5 millimeter. With this we are done with the solution. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.